Dryer Vent Pros here in Summerville, South Carolina, in the Weatherstone subdivision to do a dryer vent cleaning. This is pretty bad shape. Also, their vent cap's broken. So we're gonna go ahead and put another one of these on too, but we're gonna take an airflow before and after. So the dryer's on right now. Let's see what we get. Wow, that's almost no low airflow. So I'm guessing we're dealing with a clogged dryer vent and probably a crushed or kinked dryer vent behind the dryer as well. So we're gonna go check this out, get it cleaned up and working well, and take another airflow test when we finish. Yeah, it's only about 1 mile per hour. That's almost nothing. All right, we finished up our dryer vent cleaning and installed a new vent cap. These are just the new loopers that pop in there. I have them popped out so we can take an airflow test. I always give my customers a good, better, best option when it comes to these vent caps. This is the good option of the good, better, and best. And let's see what kind of airflow they got now. I already put it up. Over 16 miles per hour, so. And we were dealing with a lot of lint buildup, and also the vent behind the dryer was partially crushed as well, so that had a lot to do with it. Alright, so they're all cleaned up. This is replaced, everything's working good. Job done.